In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a blog in Squarespace and publish your first post. Let's begin right at the source, your Squarespace dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see the main controls down the left side. This is your command center, and it's where you'll do almost everything for your site. We're heading straight to the pages area because that's where your blog will live and where visitors will find it in your site's navigation. Open the Pages section and look for the option to add a new page. You'll typically see a plus button or an Add Page option. Click that, and from the list of page types, choose a blog. This is important because a blog page gives you a built-in list of posts, dates, categories, and all the publishing tools you'll need without having to piece them together manually. Next, give your blog page a clear, memorable name. This becomes the label people see in your navigation, so keep it descriptive, something like blog or news, depending on your voice. Don't overthink it. You can always rename it later if your brand direction evolves. Once the page is created, open it to start your first post. Look for a new post or create post button. Start with a compelling title that sets expectations. In the body area, write your content and format it for readability. Use short paragraphs, clear headings, and add images or video where it strengthens your message. If your template supports categories and tags, consider adding them to help organize your content and make it easier for readers to explore related topics. Draft mode is your friend here. Take your time to refine your voice and check for clarity. Before you publish, take a moment to adjust your blog settings and layout. Explore options for how posts display, grid or list, full content or excerpts, whether to show dates, authors, or read time. Choose a layout that matches your brand and makes scanning easy. Preview on desktop and mobile to ensure your images crop nicely and your text remains legible. Small tweaks here can dramatically improve the reading experience. When everything looks and reads the way you want, save your work. If you're still fine-tuning, save the post as a draft. If you're ready to go live, hit publish on the post and make sure the blog page itself is visible in your navigation. That's it. You now have a functioning blog page and your first post out in the world. Keep building momentum by posting consistently and refining your layout as your content grows.